Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is a television stand that I had gotten from a friend of mine just to do a quick makeover with it. It was gifted to her from her mom and dad, and she just asked me if I can throw some paint on it and see what happens. So I got this from her. I did clean it out, and just FYI, a lot of this video, I don't know what happened to it when I recorded it. Between the time I recorded it and uploaded it to iMovie, but I'll just explain and do a lot of talking in between. So these are the dimensions, well, not dimensions, but what it looks like. This is my first time using anti-slope paints, and I actually had fun using it. And this is just the stain that I used to do the top of the table. Up top, you see I'm just doing the first part, painting it. I did not sand it down. Again, please excuse the I guess how the video is recorded or how it's uploaded. It was something weird happened in between transferring from my iPhone to my MacBook Air. So as you see up top, it's no longer that dark color. I sanded that down. It was that pressed wood. And with the pressed wood, I didn't want to sand too much. I didn't want to use a paint remover because I didn't want to damage anything else. So obviously I taped everything off, and I just did the entire television stand in all white. And I think it took me about 3 or 4 coats of the paint. It was easy to work with. It didn't take much of any it just didn't take much. A little went a long way, and I had well over a half a can left that I had given to my friend. Since, you know, she purchased it, she keeps it, of course. I actually had fun with this project, and so let's keep watching. So sorry. A lot of the video got cut off. I wasn't able to show the entire process as I did record it. I didn't show the front. I don't know what, I showed everything. I don't know what happened to the rest of the television stand. I don't know what this part is, what happened here, why it went that way, but unless she wanted to leave the inside the same, so I did leave the inside the same for her. These steel wool pads help smooth out the stain that I did, but again, I just hate that this is all you get to see. She loved it. I was hoping she could send me some pictures of how it turned out and how she decorated it. And there's her name, Miss Lakendria, as the owner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will upload more. Thank you.